I'm Bob Price, and we're back with Jason Ledoux at Long. We've kind of moved around this marvelous plant of theirs. We're actually in front of a little area here that speaks very well of their technicians. This is kind of like a little practice area, I guess. I use the word practice.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, we can come in here and do some practicing. We can bring components in out of the field, test to see if they're still working. Or we just get this set up for our technicians to stay up to today's standards. It's a training tech area.
Yeah.
This industry moves so quickly that if you don't constantly train your people, your technician, and your sales guys in this industry, well, you're going to fall behind. If you're not a student of your industry, and you may be a guy that would agree to the same thing, if you're not a student of the industry, I think you're just a mediocre guy. If you can't stay up with today's technology, then you can't provide, world-class solutions for your customers and your clients. So,
have you seen, Jason, taking a look at this, and these components are, fairly small. Obviously, there's larger components that they deal with. What's the biggest change you've seen has it been like everybody else to the digital arena?
Well, yeah, everything's gone from analog to the digital side of everything. Yeah. Everything is just progressing. Whether it is this is basically just a control board. These are the components that you're going to see in buildings that control these big monster units that are placed all over our buildings. These smart guys are going to be programmed to take care of you in an occupied mode or an unoccupied mode to make your building what we refer to as a smart building, more green, more energy efficient. Some of these buildings are very large and utility costs are quite high. This type of stuff allows us to monitor your building, not only for utilities, but say you're in Rock Springs or you're in Gillette or you're in KC or Buffalo, some area that we're stationed here. Yes, we've got techs in these towns, but we can get on our laptops or computers, remotely access your building and look into your HVAC equipment and tell you where the problem is, change a set point from right here, talking to a building in, say, Gillette, one of the schools or the schools in Buffalo, and monitor your school. It's going to save you the cost of sending a technician out to that location. We could possibly just get it fixed right here on the spot. So all of these components play a big factor in today's HVAC equipment.
We're visiting with Jason Ledoux. We're at Long, and we have some more information to share with you. Stay tuned.